వెల్కమ్ టు పిఎస్ విజిఆర్ న్యూస్. తిరుపతి జిల్లా వెంకటగిరిలో రైల్వే స్టేషన్ దగ్గర ఉన్న ఏపీ మోడల్ స్కూల్లో ఈ రోజు వార్షిక దినోత్సవ వేడుకలు ఘనంగా జరిగాయి.
Physical health, good food, and listening to your parents and teachers. That will make you a good person in life, and that will make you achieve your dream. I will not
thank each and every guest who is present here for coming to this annual day celebrations and making this function a grand success. This is time for us to now distribute few prizes to our students. Sir, actually every year on this annual day we select the best students under different categories. This year we have selected the students under 4 categories. The first one is the Student of the Year Award, second one the Academic Excellence Award, third one is the 100% attendance, that is Perfect Attendance Award, and the fourth one the Leadership Award. Totally we have 6 to 10 classes. Each class we have 2 sections. From each section we have selected 4 students. Totally 40 students from the school section will be receiving the awards now, and from the intermediate, first year 4 students and second year 4 students. I want the students to be ready and come quickly and receive the prizes from our chief guest.
Teaching staff, parents and my dear students. Today I feel very privileged and honored to stand here in front of you all and acknowledge the achievements of our brilliant students who have made both the school and the parents proud. This program is here to recognize the high talents who made an immense contribution to our school and the society. These brilliant students exhibit such qualities that will not only help them in achieving their goals but also bring glorious success to our school academy. Today we have gathered here not just to celebrate the achievements of our students but also to give due regard to our values and morals, which exemplify like discipline, compassion and zeal for learning. So we are here to give away the awards in mainly 4 categories, namely Student of the Year, All-Rounder Award, Academic Excellence Award, Leadership Award and 100% Perfect Attendance Award. Now I am going to announce the awardees from each class and each section after the intermediate. Student of the Year goes to T. Dhanavithri.
Academic Excellence
Leadership Award, Bala Kumar. D. Tanmani, 100% attendance. This class, this section, Student of the Year is Venkata Santosh, All-Rounder Award. By Chaitanya Verma. S.K. Umar. Section, Student of the Year, T. Lakshmi. I request attendance P. Monika Shrita. Section, Student of the Year goes to A. Toshnavi. Leadership Award, G. Guru Siva Pujita. Leadership Guru Siva Pujita. And God also Perfect Attendance P. Tulasi. S.K. Kubra. Student of the Year goes to S.K. Banu. Academic Excellence
I request our committee members,
Haripriya. Kirtana. Specially organized to make our students believe that
కోసం ఇంట్లో చేశారు. మీ టీచర్స్ కోసం కనీసం క్లాప్స్ కూడా. Thank you, sir. I request Ravi sir to please. Thank you. PT sir. అందరూ ముందుకు వచ్చి మా వంతుగా మేము కూడా చేస్తాము అని చెప్పి ఏది చేస్తానికైనా సరే ముందు ఉండి మా అటెండర్ కిరణ్ కూడా 1000 రూపీస్ ఇచ్చేసి
Actually speaks about your team spirit, and the theme also was very good. What was that? Rocket. What was that? Second mission? ISRO. ISRO.
పాండే సార్ చెప్పిన మాటలు అర్థమైనయా సార్ చూసి ఇన్స్పైర్ అయ్యారా? సో ఎంతమంది మీలోని ఆర్మ్డ్ ఫోర్సెస్ కి వెళ్ళడానికి ఓ రియలీ నేను చెప్పకపోతే మీరు చేతులు ఎంత ఎత్తుతున్నారా? వెరీ గుడ్.
ఆ
and parents of course. I will share my personal experience with you and I expect you to follow whatever you want to follow. I want to know from from your headmaster that basically all the students are coming from the rural background and some of them are from good background, some of them are from the lower strata of the society and the poor, from the poor family also. But the entire, this school is giving opportunity to all of you and all of you have got selected on merit and come to this school. Besides this, I got to know that parents are there who are supporting the school to fund. That is actually, for me, it was a new thing. I've never seen such kind of congregation of parents and school authority to upgrade the school facility. So, thanks Jyoti Madam for inviting me. I think she is busy with something. I wanted to share 2-3 things with you. I was interacting with one of your students. I just asked, what do you want to become? She said, I want to become nurse. Okay. Then I asked, why nurse, why not doctor? She said, she didn't say anything. But indirectly I got the hint. Her father is an auto driver. To see restricted herself that my dream, just because of my financial background, I cannot go beyond that.
Namaste Andy. This is our 10th annual day celebrations. Our model schools have started in the year of 2013. From 2013 till now, we have completed 10 successful years, academic years, and this is the 10th year. In this 10th year, we have, in a grand manner, we plan to celebrate this annual day celebrations. And every year, we go on with our annual day celebrations during the end of the academic year. On this annual day, we present the annual report of the school. What all we have achieved in the academic year, we present it out to our parents. With the wholehearted support of the parents and the teachers, we are in a position to prove ourselves in this academic field. In Venkatagiri, the AP Model School has stood forefront in all the aspects and it has proved itself in the curricular as well as co-curricular activities. So we are proud to say that we are one of the best institutions in the Venkatagiri. On this note, I thank all my teachers, parents for extending their support and for being present here on this annual day to make this function a grand success. Thank you.